Hey! My name is Cody. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about Whirlpool BAFFLE part #WPW10283356. The Whirlpool BAFFLE part #WPW10283356 is a replacement part for a Whirlpool dishwasher. It is a plastic baffle that fits into the bottom of the dishwasher tub and helps to direct water flow during the wash cycle. The baffle helps to ensure that dishes are properly cleaned by evenly distributing water throughout the tub. It also helps to reduce noise from the dishwasher by dampening sound waves created by water hitting the sides of the tub. The baffle is easy to install and comes with instructions for proper installation. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is a baffle for a Whirlpool refrigerator. It is used to help evenly distribute cold air throughout the refrigerator. It can help fix issues such as uneven cooling, warm spots in the refrigerator, and excessive frost buildup. Here is how you install this part. 1. Unplug the refrigerator from the wall outlet. 2. Remove the lower access panel from the back of the refrigerator. 3. Locate and remove the screws that secure the baffle to the refrigerator wall. 4. Carefully remove the old baffle and discard it. 5. Place the new baffle into position and secure it with the screws you removed. In step 3. 6. Replace the lower access panel and plug in your refrigerator to restore power to it. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsips.com to order residential appliance parts.